In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the slide theme in Google Slides, a tutorial designed especially with teachers in mind. Whether you want to create a presentation that captures your students' attention or simply add a professional touch with just a few clicks, this guide will walk you step by step through the process. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. You can type in the URL directly, or just search Google Slides in your favorite search engine. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, enter your email and password so you can access your presentations. This will take you to the Google Slides homepage, where you can see all of your saved presentations, as well as the option to create new ones. Now let's create a brand new presentation. On the homepage, click on Blank Presentation. This will open a fresh slide deck ready for you to design and customize. Here's where the exciting part comes in, selecting a theme. At the top of your screen, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the theme option and click on it. A sidebar will appear on the right, showing you a wide range of theme options. Google Slides provides colorful, modern, and clean designs that can match different tones, whether you want something formal for a lecture or something fun and vibrant for younger students. Take a moment to scroll through and preview the themes. Don't rush this part. Choosing the right theme can make your presentation visually appealing and much easier for your students to follow. Once you've found the theme that fits your purpose, just click on it and it will instantly apply to all of your slides. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use slide themes in Google Slides. It's a simple but powerful feature that can transform a plain set of slides into something polished and professional, helping you maintain your students' attention throughout the lesson. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Try to stick with one theme per presentation to keep everything consistent and easy